Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Matchbox Resurrection. And today, I'm playing with this Matchbox Volkswagen 1600. It's kind of a classic car for me, or at least a classic toy, and it brings me back memories of my childhood. And this is the classic version of it, with chrome hooves and plastic tires. But I'm also gonna do the other version. I'm also gonna be doing the Superfast model, which is very similar to the other one. It's just basically different wheels and a cracked window. So let's open them up and see what's inside. As for the base, as you can see, there's one of the tires missing and some of the lights as well. Then I will be melting probably the suspension, and the interior just needs a clean. I need to remove the doors, and the windshield just comes off as well. And I'm not sure why I'm trying to remove the doors this way, because there's definitely better ways to do it. There you go. And the other one is practically the same. It's got the suspension and super fast wheels, it's got the lights, and it's got a big crack on the window, and no pillar. Both interiors are the same, so I don't mind if I get confused with them. Both windows are the same as well. I'm just gonna have to sort this one out, because I don't like the replacements, as you know. There's only one of the lights left, so I'm gonna get rid of it, and this one won't have any fog lights. To soften the casting lines, I need to use my Dremel this time, so I can get to places that I can't even with the needle files. On the Superfast, there's a big gap in between both halves of the mold, if that makes sense, so I'm gonna fill it with a bit of super glue and my metal filings. I'll let it dry and more filing and sanding. I'm keeping the colors as they were in the original cars, so the Superfast will be metallic pink and the other one will be red. So the first thing that I need to do is paint it silver. I've mixed some transparent pink with a bit of transparent purple and more silver until I've got the desired shade. I really don't want to melt the suspension like I usually do, so I'm gonna be careful this time. Well, almost. As for the windshield, I'm gonna put a bit of super glue to make it stronger, I could make the window myself, as I usually do, but this time one of the pillars were missing and the other one were broken, so it will leave that part too weak. As for the other one, I'm just gonna try to get rid of all them scratches. Everything's ready now, and I'm gonna put them back together. Just an easy project, but it was a lot of fun, and I'm really happy with both. This also gives me more time to do things in background. Things that you'll see very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and all that. And I'll see you next week with something else. Have a good day.